Are you working in avionics? And more importantly, are you working in R&D avionics? Because if you are, Michael here from Yokogawa is going to talk you through the DL950 ScopeCorder and why it could change your life.
Let's take example of a single actuator. If you take an actuator, you want to not only measure the control signals of the actuator itself and the power to drive the actuator, but you also want to measure physical parameters like temperature, vibration, strain obviously is important for aircraft, as positioning of the actuator itself as well. So this can be done on a single actuator, but you can also measure a complete system within an aircraft. Also in avionics there's a lot of going on about electrification. So within electrification in aircraft, you're looking at hydraulic actuators being replaced by electric actuators, but also energy generation and storage within the aircraft. So take for example a single actuator. When you're designing it, you not only want to measure the electric signals driving the actuator, you also want to measure the control signals, the communication bus, and also some physical parameters like temperature, strain, vibration is obviously important in aircraft. So all these different electrical and physical parameters we can all measure within one instrument.
So you've just outlined how you do that with one actuator. Could you do it with more?
Yeah, obviously the ScopeCorder will offer high channel count, and we can also synchronize up to 5 units with each other. So if you want to evaluate the complete performance of a system or subsystem within an aircraft, that's also possible with the DL950.
Thank you.